Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to organize OneNote notes by color. This is a fantastic way to visually categorize your notebooks and make it easier to quickly locate specific content at a glance. Let's dive right in and get your notes color-coded. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you've launched the app, give it a moment to fully load all your notebooks and pages. This ensures everything is synced and ready for you to make changes without any hiccups. Once your notebook has been loaded, organizing your notes by color is actually quite straightforward. The first thing you'll want to do is head to your left navigation menu where all your notebooks and pages are located. This is your command center for managing everything within OneNote, so familiarize yourself with this panel if you haven't already. Now, to change a note's color, simply right-click on the notebook you want to organize. When you do this, a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Properties. This will open up the Notebook Properties window, which is where all the customization magic happens. In the Notebook Properties window, you'll see a color menu. This is exactly what we need to organize our notes visually. Click on the color drop-down and a color picker will appear before you. Here you'll find a variety of colors to choose from, allowing you to create a system that makes sense for your workflow. For example, you might use blue for work-related notebooks, green for personal projects, or red for urgent tasks that need immediate attention. Simply choose the color you wish to use to organize your notes by color. Take your time here to select something that will be easy to distinguish when you're scanning through your notebooks later. Once you've made your selection, click on OK to retain the changes. The color will now be applied to your notebook, and you'll immediately see it reflected in your left navigation menu. And there you have it. You've successfully organized your OneNote notes by color, making your workspace more intuitive and visually appealing. This simple organizational technique can save you time and help you stay on top of your various projects and categories. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.